Okay, all the students. So now our first one is, as we already have done, the pronunciation of this is scientific theories, not theories, it's theories. Okay, now our first one is the theory of evolution. How many of you know the answer? How many of you have seen the answer from the back? Be straightforward. Yeah, Javish has seen the answer. The answer is Charles Darwin. Write down. The answer is Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin propounded the theory of evolution. Okay. Now, our next term is the law of gravitation. You know the earth is having a gravitation pull. When an apple from a tree falls, it falls directly on the earth. Why does not it go on the sky? Why it falls down only? Because of the gravitation pull the earth is having, okay, which attracts the things towards itself. So gravitation pull, the theory of gravitation is, the law of gravitation was given by Isaac Newton. Write down Isaac Newton. Yes, Radhika, I know you have already written all the answers from back, but still we have to do something because there are still students who have not completed it yet. So we have to discuss it, because when we are repeating it, when we are listening it, when we are seeing it, we are making use of two senses, ears as well as eyes. So maximum outcome of learning will come. Okay, once it has gone through your eyes, once it has gone through your ears, so you will have the maximum learning out of it. Fine. So for that we have to learn it. Now the third one is the theory of relativity. The theory of relativity. Write down answers in the message box. The answer for this, the theory of relativity. Who propounded the theory of relativity? Who propounded? Instead of scribbling on your book, firstly write down in the message box the answer of who propounded the theory of relativity. Yes, the answer is correct, Albert Einstein. So the answer is Albert Einstein propounded the theory of relativity. Okay. Yes, fine. So our next term, the fourth one is the science of geometry. The science of geometry. Who propounded the science of geometry? Yes, Euclid. Okay, the answer is Euclid. Fine. So the next term, the law of heredity. Heredity. Heredity is पीढ़ियों से चलता आ रहा. Okay, from ancestrals, from grandfather to father to son. Okay, so heredity. So the law of heredity was given by Gregor Mendel. Yes, the Gregor Mendel. The answer is correct. Fine. Now our sixth term is, write down, our sixth term is the theory of psychoanalysis. Psychoanalysis. Pronounce with me. Psychoanalysis. Say the word first of all. Say the word psychoanalysis. Yes, the answer is Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud. Say the word Sigmund Freud. Say the word. Instead of writing, first of all, pronounce it. Yes, fine. So now our next term is the theory of conditioned reflex. The theory of conditioned reflex. Who propounded the theory of conditioned reflex? Yes, the answer for 6 is Sigmund Freud. And what about the answer for 7th part? The theory of conditioned reflex. Write down in the message box. Yes, Ivan Pavlov. Speak up, Ivan Pavlov. Speak up. Speak up. Ivan Pavlov. Pronounce with me. Okay, fine. So now our 8th question is, who propounded the theory of atomic theory? The answer is correct. John Dalton. Speak up. John Dalton. John Dalton. Everybody say. Bacha, everybody speak up. John Dalton. Now, our 9th term is the uncertainty principle. The uncertainty principle. The uncertainty principle. W. Heisenberg. W. Heisenberg. Speak up. Sahib Preet. Speak up, बच्चे. Heisenberg. Say. What's the fun of sitting mum and just scribbling on the book? There's no benefit of scribbling on the book, because when you have to face an interview for IAS, KS, teacher, or any kind of post, you have to pronounce it. Nobody will have a written test for the interview. Everybody wants to see your pronunciation, your confidence level. So it's better you learn from this level only, how to pronounce it, to improve your general knowledge along with your phonetics, your speaking skills. So all of you say W. Heisenberg. There's no benefit of just scribbling down on the book. Did I ask the next answer for Pojnik? Did I ask? What I am telling you right now is to speak up, to improve your speaking skills. And you are giving me the answer for the next term. I know you are very smart enough to copy it from the back. But what if I ask you question from the next 2 chapters and without giving you the permission to see at the back? So please don't be smart enough in front of me. I know all these things. Even I have gone through this general knowledge books and I know the answers are at the back. So even I can give the answers. What matters, if you are not able to learn it, better learn how to speak it. At least you have attained something from the class. Now, our last one is the theory of radioactivity. A theory of radioactivity. A.H. Becquerel. A.H. Becquerel. A.H. Becquerel. I think I don't have to repeat it. Ki speak up. You should be aware that you have to speak up. Radhika, बच्चे concentrate on the class. A.H. Becquerel. Speak up. Okay, now I will give you a chance to read. I will unmute you one by one and then you will read it. Okay? Akriti Chaudhary. Akriti Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Akriti Chaudhary, unmute yourself. This shows your intelligence. That how bold you are. Gungun, unmute yourself. Gungun, unmute yourself. Gungun, I have given you the permission to unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now say one by one all these answers.
Okay,
Like
ma'am.
the theory of evolution is propounded by Charles Darwin. Say like this.
Okay, ma'am. The
Or
theory of evolution is propounded by Charles Darwin. The laws of gravitation is propounded by Isaac Newton. Third one,
this
the
is the
theory
thing
of
that you people are not listening to me and you don't know the exact pronunciation. This is your over smartness count over here. Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton. Fourth,
Yes, Bachchan.
fourth, um, third one, the theory of relativity. Uh,
Again,
J.
it's
Part
not theory. It's not theory. It's theory.
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 The theory of relativity, Albert Einstein. Fourth one, the
Okay,
science
what
of
else?
geometry. The
Geometry.
science geometry, mm, Euclid. Fifth
Okay,
one,
next.
the laws of heredity. Um, B1, George Mendel. Sixth one, the theory of
See it. Is
physical.
it George? Is it George? Is it George, Bachchan?
No, ma'am. Gregor
Then,
Mendel.
okay, next.
The theory of physicoanalysis.
Huh?
Sixth one, physicoanalysis.
Very good.
Physicoanalysis.
Is this you people are attending? That's why I have told you n number of time. Just close the door while you are attending your class. I don't want any kind of distraction that you are passing smiles to your parents or you are responding to your parents. Feel like you are in a classroom, that you are in a school. You are not at your place because you have enough of time to spend with your parents. But you are having just 40 minutes for your per class. And once your exams are over, you won't get any chance to improve it, but you will be having n number of maximum chances to respond to your parents. Don't take the benefit of pandemic that you are sitting at home, you can lie down on the bed and you can do anything as such you want. Why I am telling you people to on your camera, so that I can see you what you people are doing, whether you are concentrating or I am wasting my energy. My part is not only to teach you general knowledge. If I would have not interested in this, I've just given the answers. Fine, you have done the answers. That's my job. But I am telling you to prepare for your phonetics also, pronunciation skills, which matters in your interview. Because general knowledge exam, you won't be having it in written. When you face an interview, there is a panel of people sitting in front of you. They will ask you. Then you will say psychoanalysis. It's psychoanalysis. Psycho. Speak up, bacha. This is not only for you. Gungun, I am not only telling you. It is for each and everybody sitting in my class right now. Don't feel like that shamed of that I am scolding you only. It's not you, bache. It's for everybody. Is it okay?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Speak up, bacha. It's psychoanalysis.
Psychoanalysis.
Analysis.
Analysis. Psychoanalysis.
Okay. All
Sixth
of you on
one,
your cameras.
sixth one, G part.
The name of the person who propounded the theory of psychoanalysis.
Psychoanalysis.
Who propounded the theory?
Mama, I can't pronounce it.
Who propounded the theory of psychoanalysis?
Sigmund. Fredo.
Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud.
Sigmund Freud. The theory of condition reflects. The theory of condition reflects. Ivan Pavlov. Eighth
Ivan
one,
Pavlov. Ivan
yes,
Pavlov.
Ivan Pavlov. Eighth one, the atomic theory.
Theory.
John Dalton. Theory. John Dalton. Ninth one, the uncertainty principle.
Uncertainty.
Uncertainty principle. W. Heisenberg. 10th one, the theory of radioactivity. A. H. Becquerel.
Okay, just mute yourself.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी
ma'am,
बच्चे.
I want to ask that what is the meaning of radioactivity?
But these are the theories, okay? Radioactive rays, which are about, let me tell you, what should I explain? It's a very vast concept. It's like radio rays coming out of, okay? Radiations coming, nuclear reactions. Like sun is giving a rays. Okay? There is a term nowadays coming, global warming. Why global warming? Because ozone layer is depleting. Depleting means it is getting gap between it, okay, because of the radioactive rays, which are dangerous rays, which are dangerous rays. Radioactive is related to radiations, okay. Radiations, like we are having a radiation in X-ray also. Rays are coming out and getting the picture of inside a body. So radioactive is also related to so activity. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bache, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Mute yourself. Now next turn is of Pujnik. Pujnik, unmute
Yes,
yourself.
ma'am. Can I start?
Yeah, you can start.
Number 1, the theory of evolution.
Very good, बच्चे. Theory नहीं
Charles
है.
Darwin.
Theory. I don't want to listen
Theory.
the answers because I have already done the answer. I want to see your pronunciation. It's theory.
Theory.
Speak up.
Charles
Naste.
Darwin.
Next.
The laws of gravitation. Isaac Newton. The theory of relativity. Albert Einstein. The science of geometry. Euclid. The laws of heredity. Heredity. Gregor Mendel. The theory of psychoanalysis. Sigmund Freud.
Freud.
The theory of condition reflex. John Dalton.
Sorry, the answer is wrong. Ivan Pavlov.
Ivan Pavlov. The atomic theory.
Again theory. What is this, yaar? Why you people are not getting it? All of you say theory, theory, theory. Say
theory, theory, theory.
Aditi Mehra, want special instruction to speak up? Say all of you theory.
Theory. The atomic theory.
Samvedna? Samvedna, I'm not here to see your hairs. moving around here and there. I want to listen. You speaking. Theory.
Theory.
Okay, now next.
The atomic theory.
Atomic.
Atomic theory. John Dalton. The uncertainty principle. W. Heisenberg.
Heisenberg.
Heisenberg. The theory of radioactivity. A. H. Becquerel.
Becquerel. Okay. Now, all of you with full volume, all of you will read it. The theory of evolution was propounded by Charles Darwin. All of you speak up, speak aloud. The theory of evolution was
The theory
propounded
of
by.
evolution was propounded by.
Just mute yourself, Pujnik, mute yourself, and then say. All of you say. The theory of evolution was propounded by Charles Darwin. The law of gravitation was propounded by Isaac Newton. The theory of relativity was propounded by Albert Einstein. The science of geometry was propounded by Euclid. The law of heredity was propounded by Gregor Mendel. The theory of psychoanalysis was propounded by Sigmund Freud. The theory of conditioned reflex. Is propounded by Ivan Pavlov. The atomic theory was propounded by John Dalton. Ninth, the uncertainty principle was propounded by W. Heisenberg. 10th, the theory of radioactivity is propounded by A. H. Becquerel. Okay, is it clear? All of you? Is it clear to all of you? What is the pronunciation now? I think so. Bani Kaur is having any doubt? Just a second, Bani. I will give you the permission to ask me the question. Doubt? Yes, Bani. Unmute yourself. Bani bache. Bani dear. I have given you the permission to unmute yourself. Ask me what is your doubt.
Yes,
Bani?
ma'am.
Hanji bacha, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, on page number 70, now find out. Ma'am,
Hanji, what is
what
the
is the
answer?
meaning of?
Find out the great Indian mathematician who worked on the approximation of pi.
Ma'am, what is the
Who
meaning
can
of approximation of pi?
But it's a theory, mathematical theory. Approximate, we say approximate when the percentage you are having is 98.6. So it is approximate to 97 because it is 98.5 above. It is 98.6. So it is approx to 98.6. Then it is approx to 99. When it is 98.4, then it is approx to 97. Sorry, 98 only. Okay. Nearby, approachable. So who can give me the answer for this? Who can give me the answer for this? Aryabhatta. Okay, write down Aryabhatta. Albert Einstein was offered the post of Israel's second president. He got the opportunity to be the second president of Israel, but he declined. He did not accepted the proposal and did not become the second president of Israel in 1912, and he declined the proposal. Okay, but the thing is, he got the opportunity to be the second president of Israel. Speak up, Israel. Speak up. Yes, all of you speak up, Israel.
Israel.
Okay, so I think we are done with this chapter and we should end up over here. So all of you can leave the class now, bache. Thank you. I hope nobody's having any doubt. I hope nobody's having any doubt. Okay, so you people can leave the class now. Thank you for your cooperation. Yes, Navleen, what is your doubt? Navleen, unmute
Ma'am,
yourself. What is
this
your doubt?
chapter is also coming in our syllabus.
Bache, you will be having a final exam, no? You won't be having a U3 exam for this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So of course
Okay,
this will be
ma'am.
coming in your chapter for exams. You have to prepare for it.
Okay, ma'am.
So all of you can leave the class now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Take care, dear.
Bye.